Alright guys, so it's been a while since I last posted. It's been actually around 2 weeks since I last posted, but I'm back at it again with another little one. So first and foremost, it's been a lot going on. I blew up a couple accounts in the past 2 weeks, but it's all good. But other than that, today I just want to show you guys what's happening. I'm currently trading a consistency funded account. I'm not really the person to trade consistency funded accounts. This is the first time that I'm trading this, but I just want to change, like I just want to try something new, and just try something totally new. So basically, I'm gonna first give you guys a real quick of my trading space. If you guys have heard about a trading flow, this is exactly what it means. So pull out, let me show you guys real quick. All right, so first and foremost, this is the craziest trading flow that you will ever see. Starting things off, we have our chair right here. This is basically the chair that we could afford right now. It's plastic, but you could just bend down real quick and gives you a little bit of back massage. This chair is really expensive actually. So yeah, so this is the trading chair right here, and then we have the laptop right here. If you could zoom in, you can see that my laptop is actually broken right here. I don't know if you can see that clearly, but yeah, that's the laptop that I'm currently trading with. Hopefully I get me a new laptop pretty soon. So we have a screen right there, pretty small, but it is what it is. That's what we can currently use, but at least it saves me from using a broken laptop, right? So next we have our PlayStation right here, which I don't use. Other than that, we have a power bank right here, just in case power goes. You guys know what I'm talking about. So basically, we have a bottle right here. This is for water, stay hydrated, and all of that. So basically, I just want to show you guys real quick the trades. The trade. I'm actually done trading for the day. So basically, I want to show you guys real quick the trade that I took today. I'm actually done trading for the day. Due to the fact that I'm trading a consistency account. So I did. Trade just a single trade for the day. It was a gold trade. All right, so this is the trade that I took. This is gold, as you guys could see right there. I did get in on some buys. I did get. It's been actually a couple of buys that I've took on gold recently, since the trade has been towards the upside. But this right here, this was around Tuesday. I took another buy yesterday on Wednesday. Then I got in another buy. So this was the real deal right here. I made around $200, as you guys could see on the sides. Um, so basically, overall for this trade, we were just following that trend, right? As you guys can see, prices has been pushing, pull back, push, pull back, push. So basically, we had buyers, at this area, pretty concentrated. Each sale that comes in, buyers. Each sale that comes in, buyers. So yesterday we had this aggressive buy. We had this aggressive buy, and then I tried to buy right around this area, but prices did pull back. Prices did get to this area where I tried to buy. If I could show you on the 15 minute, I tried to buy, but then prices did initially pull back all the way to this area. So when they pulled back, all I wanted to see was something pretty simple. Change of structure. We had this push, pull, push, and then when we reached this area, we had this bit of change right here. If I could show you guys, you can see we came from a lower low right here to a higher low, broke out into a higher high, then right here is where I got in. I don't know if you guys can see that clearly, but basically this right here was the structure. Let me put it down for you guys to just see. uh right there. So this was all I wanted to see. A change of structure, and then I change of structure down here, lower low, lower high, higher low, and then obviously a higher high. So after getting in that higher high, waited for that lower low to come in, then obviously I'm getting in right around that area on those buys. So that's how I managed to get into this XAUUSD buy right there. All right. So other than that, there is something that I want to point out. I started to actually try trading consistency accounts that is with prop firms, right? Because I've actually come to find out that when you are trading consistent accounts, there is something that it teaches you, and like quit these habits that you could just impulsively place multiple trades a day. You know that you could just do anything that you want, anytime, just because you have a prop firm account. So, and one thing that I've come to notice is that either way, you will lose that money. Even if you make, like, I don't know how much you think that is too much, but you will obviously lose that money if you are not trading consistently. So basically, that's why I actually just decided to just, like, just quit trading these normal pro farms account and then try trading something new. So basically, I'm gonna be showing you guys the dashboard, how I've been currently doing on this new consistent account, how much we've made on that account, and how it's going.
Alright guys, so basically this is the dashboard right here. I'm currently trading with a new prop firm on the market. That's why I'm not like finna show you guys what the prop firm is called, but those of you guys that probably have traded on this prop firm, so the reason why I'm not showing you guys the name of the prop firm is just in case you guys buy an account and you get scammed. I just don't want to be part of it, you understand? And this is not my Forex fans, just because you guys see MF. This MF just shows you your profile and then you can log out any minute. So this is not my Forex fans, definitely. Other than that, we started this account with 10k, started on the 29th. Today is around the 4th. So approximately around 4 days, yeah, around 4 days, because we started on Friday, then we had a weekend. So today is basically just the fifth day. Actually, today is the fifth day. So today's PNL, we made around 287. That's the gold trade that I showed you guys. And then currently we are 1066 669. But this is just what I wanted to show you guys, the consistency score. Currently the objective is 45%, which is actually really good, because some of these prop firms, for example, funding pips, if you're trading an instant account, it gives you around 15%, which is actually really crazy if you're trying to get some money for yourself. So a 15% consistency score is really a crazy number. But then other than that, these guys offer a 45% consistency score, which is really beautiful, you understand? Currently at 42.93, right? Probably. So basically, even if I take the next trade, I will not breach this objective, because I've already met it. I only have around $150, to finish this. But if you guys have ever traded Profam, you know this, the last money is actually the hardest. So this has to be one trade, a 1 to 3, probably risking around $50. But who knows, you just can't tell the markets what to do. So I'll probably be taking it slow for this last trade, which I'll be showing you guys in a minute. So basically this just what up. I'll be getting back to you guys in a minute. Let's get it.
Alright, guys. So before I actually end this video, I just want to, like, tell you guys something real quick. So basically, you know, the reason why I want to talk about this is because it's been a lot recently going on social media, especially regarding forex trading, right? And I know forex trading is 100% social media, right? If somebody is making $5,000, not everybody should make this type of money, or like you shouldn't also be making $5,000 a day, $1,000 a day, to be a successful trader, to call yourself a successful trader, right? It needs as little as $10, as little as $2 yard, as long as you can do it consistently. It all counts. Like, just regard the people's, like, I know it's always gonna find you somewhere that this guy is making this amount of money, and all of a sudden you ain't making anything at all, right? And you just have to understand that it's a process, right? You will get there, but whenever you try to rush things, the forex gods don't really like rushing things. They will give you the money, but trust me, they will take it and just go into your pocket as much as they could. I'm talking this out of experience. I've always tried to, like, want to flip accounts, because everybody's doing that on the internet, right? But for the past 2 years, I've been doing this for the past 2 years. But for the most time, I've been trying to flip. But I'm telling you, I've never been successful at flipping. I do flip, but I go back in losses and actually go back into my own pocket, deposit some other money, lose it back, go again, deposit until I feel like I'm exhausted to the maximum. You feel me? Just because I'm trying to do what these guys on the internet are making a day. You understand? So basically, I don't want you guys to fall into that trap. I just want you guys to move straight. These things are really achievable, right? Like there's people doing this, but don't go off the social media, rush the social media, everything that is going on. Like you guys need to understand who you are personally and just understand that this is a process and everything will be in line. So basically, I just wanted to put that out because recently it's been a lot that has been going on in on the internet. So basically, probably I just don't want you guys to, like move astray. I'll be updating you guys in a minute. Let's get it.